What's the difference between a Medeco Maxum deadbolt and one that you would find at a typical big box store? Everything. For starters, Maxum uses premium grade components and passes the highest testing standards in the industry. And there's this. Medeco keys can only be duplicated with your permission by a security professional. In the big box store, the lock you grab may use the exact same key as the package behind it. But the most dramatic testimony is how your lock stands up to a more direct attack. There's a big difference between convenience and security. And there's a big difference between Medeco and any other lock.